Hello everyone, I'm Suresh Machu from Machu Tattoos. So in this video we are going to cover this white vitiligo treatment on the lip. So we are going to do the patch test now. So we are going to start to do on the sides of the lip so that once it's got healed we can get to know whether the output is success or not. Patch test is nothing but choosing a small amount of place on the lips and doing a treatment in that particular place. Once if this treatment got succeeded, then you can go ahead and proceed with the remaining places of the body. So in that way we can get to know, instead of putting a lot of money, time, effort and the pain on that same day, if the output and the skin is not accepted, then it's completely a waste of money and the time for you, right? So that's the main reason doing this patch test. Once the patch test has been done, you can get to know exactly whether the output is success or not. So the process is happening really good, and as you see in this video we are doing it on the sides of the lips. We are plan to do it on the another side of the lips also. So in that way we can be able to match the exact skin tone on both the sides. So after a month it takes at least 2 weeks to 3 weeks to get healed completely. So once it's got healed completely we can get to know whether the output came or not. So that's the reason behind this process going on now. So as you can see, it's matching it up with the exact lip color. There is no difference at all, as you can see. That's the specialty of it, and it's the least maintenance one, and it has a higher success rate comparing to the any other treatment, vitiligo white patches. And this treatment can be able to do it on dark lip tones also, not only a white patch vitiligo lip tones. It can be able to work with the dark lip tones also. When we work with the dark lip tones, there is a lot of chances you will be get a much more better output. So the process is happening now. As you can see, it's giving a much more better output, and we are doing it on both sides of the lips so that it will be matched up exactly once it's got healed. And I'll meet you guys in my next video, and I'll leave you here signing off. Don't die nude.